Let me tell you about something that quietly turned $582,340 into $712,000 without touching a single stock. It started with a retired couple from Naples, Florida, Doug and Carol. They weren't wealthy, just smart. And the decision they made, you could make it today. In fact, I'll show you exactly how in just a minute. But first, this isn't a story about one couple. It's about you and what happens next in the American economy. Because right now, the writing is on the wall. Record $1.6 trillion in U.S. household debt. Delinquencies rising fast. Global gold demand surges third year in a row as investors flee risk. Federal Reserve signals rates could stay higher for longer. Markets rattle. The question isn't if there's going to be a correction. It's whether your retirement is protected when it hits. Doug and Carol weren't economists, but they were paying attention. They had worked for over 35 years. Doug as an engineer, Carol in education. And when they finally retired, they wanted one thing: peace of mind. They had just over $582,000 in a traditional IRA. But they couldn't shake that gut feeling. Bank failures, market bubbles, political instability. They kept asking, is our nest egg really safe just sitting in paper assets? So they started exploring. And that's when they found something they never expected: a gold IRA. Not just some gimmicky free silver coin trap. An actual IRS-approved rollover from part of their IRA into physical gold, stored securely, tax-deferred, and out of Wall Street's reach. And it all started with one step. They requested a free guide, the same one I'll link to at the end of this video. After a no-pressure call, they felt more confident than they had in years. And over the next 12 months, their gold IRA outperformed every other asset they owned. Why? Because gold doesn't care who's in the White House. It doesn't crash on earnings calls. It's time-tested, crisis-proof. And in uncertain times, it just works. Now, maybe you're like Doug and Carol. Maybe you're nearing retirement or already there. You've saved $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, and you're asking, is my money really safe? Here are 3 quick moves that could make a huge difference in how your retirement performs. Move number 1, diversify inside your IRA. Most Americans don't realize this, but yes, you can own physical gold in your IRA. It's 100% legal and can be rolled over without penalties if done correctly. This diversifies your portfolio away from volatile stocks and gives you real, tangible protection. Move number 2, timing the shift. You don't need to move everything at once. Doug and Carol started by moving just 30% of their IRA. The gold grew steadily, while the rest of the market zigzagged. Start small, start smart. Move number 3, don't go it alone. The biggest mistake retirees make is trying to figure this out without help. That's why the free gold IRA guide exists. It's a plain English breakdown of what to expect, how to roll over properly, and how to avoid shady providers. It's not a sales pitch, it's an education. And that's exactly where Doug and Carol's journey began. That peace of mind they were looking for. It didn't come from watching the news. It came from taking that first step. So, what do you want your retirement story to be? If you've got $100,000 or more in a traditional retirement account, you owe it to yourself to see how a gold IRA could help protect what you've worked a lifetime to build. Click the link below to get the free guide and schedule a no-pressure, one-on-one educational call. No gimmicks, no silver coins, just real answers, personalized to your goals, because your future, your legacy, it's too important to leave to chance.